see? The devil. The devil. The devil.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too.
What's goody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, edgykayyy. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everybody that watched my last video. I want to say thank you to everybody that watched my last video. My first video that I posted on my channel. It did way better than I expected it to do. I gained, first I had 8 subscribers. My first video I had 8 subscribers. Now I have 46, I think. And the video now has 1.9k views and it's going up. Thank y'all. Period, because that's a blessing. I thought I was gonna get like 100 views, no cap. That being said, whatever you wanna do it. Pray about it and do it. Cause God will not put that in your mind, in your brain, if you couldn't do it. So whatever it is, do it. Like right then, that ring light would not stay up at all. And I was getting frustrated, but
I'm gonna do this video.
As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing the cheapest wash and go you will ever seen in your life, my nigga. 2 products, $2. Each product costs $1. I don't wash my hair and stuff. You don't have to use the same products I use to wash my hair. No, you don't have to do that. So I'm not gonna tell y'all the products I use to wash my hair. But if you wanna know, let me know down in the comments. Cause I'm very frugal. I'm not rich, so I don't like to spend a lot of money. So everything I use is very cost efficient. So yeah, if you wanna know like what I use on my hair and stuff, let me know down in the comments. Subscribe right now. You. Right now. I'll wait. Alright, thank you. Wash my hair, then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I do the cheapest wash and go ever. Okay, be back. Hello? Yeah, I'm doing a video. You already sent me 40,000. Cash out. I'll do my invoice. Oh, you sent 50,000. Okay. Alright. Bye. Sorry, that was Chris Brown. My eyelashes came off when I was washing my hair. That's why I get for trying to be cute. Make a video. I wash my hair. Now I'm about to show y'all what's really up. But the curls there though. It's there. I got a holy grail of the cheapest wash and go ever. The cheapest wash and go that you have ever seen. The cheapest wash and go that'll make you slap your mom. Period. First product is...
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa? What are you talking about?
I thought I heard a question.
This girl, listen. Trump, if that's you, send them checks out. The first product is this one right here. Lusty Argan Oil Curl Wave Twist Shaping Gel. Fast drying. This. Got this from Dollar Tree for $1. Yeah. $4. The second product I use is this Super Look Extra Hold New Styling Gel. Got this from the Dollar Tree for $1 also. So what I do is, my hair is still wet. I can feel it. It's still wet. Yo, I need to go to the barbershop and get this stuff shaped up because it's so uneven. Like, I'll take this. Take top of that. I take this, take the top of that. See, I've been using it though, you can tell. Yeah. But it's $1, so that's why I use so much of it. Take some of my hands like this, mix it together. I just whoa, how do y'all see that? Some more. Put it back of my hair. Some more. Put it in the middle. Run my fingers through it. My hair is so uneven. Like, this is crazy. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:56 p.m.
It's not that much you gotta do. But just make sure that it's all throughout your hair. Then just put down. I really need to go to the barbershop and get this stuff even. For real. Look at that. It's so uneven. I want to dye it so bad, but I don't want to dye it and it's uneven like this. You know? So, I don't see the curls. Let me see. I'm gonna let y'all see. Oh, yes, sir. So you can either let this air dry, or you can use your blow dryer and just like hold it over your head. It's up to you. I would let mine air dry because I don't got nothing else to do today. I'll show you how I look in the wash cream. Them 2 products for $1. Yes, sir. Oh my God, my hair is so uneven like this. What the heck? Oh yeah, I need it. I don't know. Can I go to the barbershop with all this stuff going on? Or not? Alright, let me bring it closer so y'all can see how this looks. So see how it looked a little bit. Ooh. Look at that. I need to get the edge up. Or whatever you call it. This right here ain't cute. I'm gonna let this dry. And I'm gonna come back and let y'all see how it look dry. It's almost dry, but it's not all the way dry. So I'm gonna just blow dry it because I don't got time to wait. Yeah, I put my eyelashes back on. No, please don't fall, please don't fall. Save it. When I blow dry my hair with this, I just do like this, turn it on. That's it, that's all. Yes, sir. Ooh. Okay, so it's dry, but it's not all the way dry. I just don't feel like messing with this blow dryer no more. Let me put this over here. stay. Don't freaking fall, nigga. So after I do that, I put some oil on it. I use Jamaican black castor oil just to make it look shiny. But it's not even dry all the way. That's one thing I don't like about washing goats. It takes so long to dry because my hair is so thick. I got like 1,500 different textures in my hair. And the back is fine and pretty. It's so nice in the back. In the middle is so thick. Thicker than me almost. I might have to take some pictures tomorrow because it's not dry all the way. And I gotta go to work tomorrow morning. But let me take this down so y'all can see how this looks. I'm gonna have to take some pictures tomorrow. Anyways, I really got OCD with this. Stay over there now. But yeah, I'm gonna put some pictures in here from tomorrow because it's not all the way dry, so you can't really see the full effect of everything. But for $2, can't beat it. Period. And thank y'all again for all the support and all the love and everything on my last video. I really, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. I got some ideas I want to do, but with all this coronavirus going on, all this quarantining going on, it's difficult. And this channel is not just about hair. I don't want y'all to think that this is just not a hair channel, but this is the easiest thing to do with everything that's going on. So that's what I'm gonna do, so I can have content and have videos. So yeah, thank you again for watching edgykayyy TV. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. Share, tell a friend. Yeah, road to 100 subs. Thank you. Bye.